Mi brujita está aquí en las ruinas del castillo Lizar, donde está el punto sagrado de los que creen. Increíble, amor. Just above Frigiliana. So this is the irrigation channel of Lizar, where it goes a long way up into the mountains. Down there there's Igueron River that's dry. That's Frigiliana. And we're thinking tomorrow to climb that mountain, which is Cerro Cielo, del Cielo, something like that. So we'll see how that goes. Just left the bike near the Nerja caves. This is the access road towards the path. It's a very hazy but warm day here in the Andalucian mountains, and we will try to climb Pico del Cielo, which is about 1.5 kilometers of altitude, but very close to the coast. Should be about 4 hours up, 2-3 hours down. And this is where the track splits. We're taking the path to the right. It should be 7 kilometers to the top. It's a very reasonable walk-up path, nothing too difficult. And that's the mountain there, still long ways to go. This is Sibila farmhouse, pretty much end of drivable road. And we're gonna have a little lunch and then push on another 2 hours to the top. We are at about 1 kilometer mark. Can kind of sort of see down to the sea. We got 500 meters vertically left to go. 300 vertical meters left. Almost there. Yay! This is Pico del Cielo, about 1500 meters high. Only 6 kilometers as the crow flies from the Mediterranean, but you can kind of sort of see Nerja. Not too well. Start to rain a bit as we get here. Well done, baby. Started to rain, so gotta go down very carefully because it's gonna be slippery. Sí, amor. So yeah, that's 4 hours up, 4 hours down. Haven't seen a single person in last 5 hours. Michelle's happy to be down from the fucking mountain.